Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Chica.
¿Está bien?
Gracias.
Ok, con gusto.
Okay, now we can start the day. Almost there, you guys.
Dancing on the ceiling, got a smile and a feeling, no, I might be getting carried away. There's a cool breeze blowing, about to follow where it's going, yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful day. Oh my, not a cloud in the sky, in a tippy-toe state of mind. Moving side to side, a little off time, everything is feeling alright.
Let go, Jaden!
Hey, everybody, we only get one life. Let's make it a party. Let's have a real good time.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it amazing when your heart starts racing cause you're laughing with somebody you love? I heard a little birdie saying you ain't gotta worry, let's sing it at the top of our lungs. Hey, everybody, we only get one life. Let's make it a party. Let's have a real good time. Hands up, enjoy the ride. Oh my, not a cloud in the sky, in a tippy-toe state of mind. Moving side to side, a little off time. Everything is feeling alright. Hey, everybody, we only get one life. Let's make it a party. Let's have a real good time. Hey, everybody, we only get one life. Let's make it a party. Let's have a real good time. Hey, everybody, we only get one life. Let's make it a party. Hands up, enjoy the ride.
So we finally made it to our new home, where we'll be spending the next month on Ometepe Island, here in Nicaragua. There's our house, you guys. Hey Jaden, will you give us a tour of the house? After we look at this donkey. Oh my gosh, did that scare you?
I made him calm down. Whoa. He's coming down.
Brett always likes getting pet behind the ears. Bye, Brett. Why do they call it star fruit?
When you cut it, it looks like a star.
Hey Jaden, what kind of tree is that? What is that? Ooh, you got a nice line. Put it in your mouth.
No.
이거는 누나?
Look it. Oh, it's cheesecloth. Good job. Is this so cool? You like traveling? What do we have here?
We have some arroz.
What?
Arroz.
Arroz.
Rice.
Con
Vegetales. Just a little bit of canned fruit. Peas, corn, carrot, garlic, onions. And I'm making, I think like the only beans they have here, which are red beans.
Okay.
And then I'm making the kids dinosaur eggs.
Ooh. Quail eggs.
They're really cool eggs.
Love it. How do you like your kitchen?
Love it. I'm gonna hang out here the entire time.
I won't complain. I won't complain.
This guy's just taking a nap.
Okay.
So we just found out this blue truck broke down. The guy wasn't just taking a nap. He wasn't just taking a little siesta.
I know. How are we gonna go to the car?
I should probably help them. Oh, I don't want Dad to hurt his knee.
Oh, Dad.
Wow.
Daddy, you're doing good. Good job, Daddy. That's what you just hope you.
So it wasn't all Dad.
First day of school in Ometepe. Already looking at cool things. Let's go check in over here, bud. You get to do all sorts of fun stuff here. That's a cool looking swing. Hey guys! Hey bud! How was your school? Yeah? Did you tell your teacher you're leaving? Let's go talk to your teacher. You made new friends? Who? These two? They're nice, huh? You hurt your knee?
I didn't
Oh
cry.
wow, good job!
Soak it in, babe.
Don't worry, I got the bucket for the put them in.
You got a bucket?
For the put them.
That is the biggest toad I've ever seen. That's one we could eat.
Oh, better.
Oh my gosh.
Let him go. Say bye-bye.
So good.